What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to deactivate a Facebook account on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To deactivate a Facebook account, open up your browser and head to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in with the account that you want to deactivate. Click on the profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen, and in the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. On the Settings page, navigate to your Account Center. Under Account Settings, go to Personal Details. On the Personal Details Settings section, you will see the Account Ownership and Control option. Click on it. In the pop-up window, select Deactivation or Deletion. Now, if you have multiple profiles logged in, you will see each of them listed here. Select the one that you want to deactivate. Check the Deactivate Account option and click on Continue. Proceed to enter your password if prompted. You will now be required to list the reason for deactivating your Facebook account. Choose the one you prefer, it doesn't really matter. Next, click on Continue. Facebook will now prompt you to mark the duration for deactivating your account. By default, it will be set to 7 days. In case you're planning to deactivate your Facebook account for a long time, it's suggested you opt for the Don't Reactivate Automatically option. Lastly, Facebook will prompt you to confirm your decision. It will also ask you whether you want to continue using Messenger linked with your Facebook account. Check if you want to keep on using Messenger. Click on Deactivate My Account, and your Facebook account will be deactivated indefinitely until you decide to hop back on. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.